The Leviton Decora Smart Dimmer Switch represents a leap forward in home lighting control technology, blending sleek design with advanced functionality to offer users unparalleled convenience and energy efficiency. At its core, this innovative switch is designed to seamlessly integrate into any modern home, providing intuitive control over lighting levels while also offering compatibility with popular smart home platforms. One of the standout features of the Leviton Decora Smart Dimmer Switch is its versatility. Compatible with various types of bulbs, including dimmable LED, CFL, and incandescent bulbs, it caters to diverse lighting setups, ensuring compatibility with existing fixtures in most households. This adaptability eliminates the need for extensive rewiring or bulb replacement, making it a convenient choice for homeowners looking to upgrade their lighting control. Installation of the switch is straightforward, thanks to its Decora design, which is a standard in many homes. With a few simple steps, users can replace their existing switches with the Leviton Decora Smart Dimmer, instantly transforming their lighting control experience. Additionally, the switch supports both single-pole and three-way configurations, further enhancing its flexibility and usability in different room setups. Once installed, users can take advantage of the switch's advanced features through various control methods. The switch can be operated manually via its tactile buttons, allowing for quick adjustments of lighting levels. However, where the Leviton Decora Smart Dimmer truly shines is its compatibility with smart home platforms. Users can integrate the switch with popular systems like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit, enabling voice control and seamless automation of lighting schedules. Moreover, the accompanying mobile app provides users with remote access to their lighting controls, allowing them to adjust settings from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether they're away from home or simply lounging on the couch, users can effortlessly manage their lighting to suit their needs and preferences. Beyond convenience, the Leviton Decora Smart Dimmer Switch also offers energy-saving benefits. By dimming lights to the desired level, users can reduce energy consumption and extend the lifespan of their bulbs, contributing to both cost savings and environmental sustainability. In conclusion, the Leviton Decora Smart Dimmer Switch combines elegant design, intuitive functionality, and seamless integration with smart home ecosystems to deliver a superior lighting control solution. With its versatility, ease of installation, and advanced features, it represents a significant upgrade for any modern home seeking to enhance comfort, convenience, and energy efficiency.